She's coming down like a pimp. Somebody lost their fucking life here. Esteban. Got a little too crazy on an ATV. Some of these people, man, they ride these ATVs kind of crazy. Probably hit the fucking tree right there. Died. You read about that quite often. Son of a bitch, man. Somebody set up camp over there. They got a Jeep just like mine. Oh, that's me. You know, I'm trying to find a tree I can get under for a while. Because it's snowing out, gentlemen. If I go this way, I have to cross the river. And I definitely don't want to cross the river. I was gonna check it out. I was going to check it out, but decided river. But one thing we got to do is take out these goggles. The tree saves me from the rain. I got to get rid of this goddamn gallon of water. It's fucking driving me nuts. There goes our fisherman. I don't know about fishing, gentlemen. You know, I got a young boy, took him fishing when he was, I think I took him fishing when he was like 4 years old, 3 years old, and shit. 5 years old, 6 years old. And then we quit fishing because we got dirt bikes. At 5 years of age, he got dirt bikes, and we pretty much did dirt biking from then on. Fishing was not an option, gentlemen. Just trying to stay underneath this tree and mind my own business, P's and Q's. I might head back to camp and dump this water. My hands are cold. You're getting wet out here. Not my upper body, but my legs are getting wet. Camp is right over there. I doubt if you can see it with this GoPro. But we're gonna shut you down for now.